Hello everyone, I am Manisha Rani and welcome to my channel Our Orange Kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make traditional Konkani style country chicken curry. This curry preparation requires two types of masala. One is the green masala and the other is coconut masala. Before we look into the recipe, please click on the subscribe button which is right below the video. Let us now take a look at the ingredients. 1 kilo of country chicken cut as required for the curry. This is washed and cleaned. 3 large onions sliced. 1 large tomato chopped. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. 2 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Half a cup of chopped coriander leaves. Salt as required. Oil as required to fry the ingredients. 2 tablespoons of ghee. Water as required. For the green masala, we require 15 to 20 cloves of garlic, 2-inch ginger sliced, 8 green chilies, 1 cup of coriander leaves, 1 small onion sliced, 4 cloves, 2 small cinnamon sticks. For coconut masala, we require 3 large onions sliced, 2 cups of grated coconut, 10 dried red chilies, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds or sauf, 3 tablespoons of coriander seeds. In a blender jar, add all the ingredients of green masala. Add water as required to get a smooth masala paste. Add the green masala into the chicken. Add salt and turmeric powder. Mix everything well and keep the chicken aside for 30 minutes to marinate. For the coconut masala, we will have to fry all the ingredients in oil. Heat a deep bottomed pan. Add 1 teaspoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add fennel seeds. Fry for about a minute and take it out in a plate. Now add the coriander seeds and fry for about a minute. Take out. Add the dried red chilies and fry in the same way. Now add 1 more tablespoon of oil and fry the sliced onions until a nice brown color. Add the grated coconut and fry for about 2 minutes. Take everything out in a plate and let the ingredients cool. Once it cools down, add all the ingredients in the blender jar. Add 2 teaspoons of garam masala and water as required. Blend to make a smooth masala paste. Heat a pressure cooker on medium-high flame. Add 2 tablespoons ghee. Once the ghee gets heated, add the sliced onions. Fry till it gets a nice brown color. Once the onions are fried, add the marinated chicken. Mix it with the onions. Fry the chicken for about 2 minutes. Add water up to the level of chicken and mix everything well. Close the lid and cook for about 3 whistles. This is how chicken will look with green masala curry. This curry can be enjoyed as it is or it can be used to make pulao as well. We'll show it in a separate video. Put the green curry back on heat. Add the chopped tomatoes and the coconut masala. Mix everything together. Add some more water to adjust the consistency of the curry. Add salt and chopped coriander leaves. Mix well and let the curry come to a boil. Let it boil for 3 to 4 minutes. Keep stirring in between. Turn off the heat and let the curry rest for 15 minutes before serving. Enjoy the traditional country chicken curry with chapati and rice and some salad on the side. For the detailed recipe, check my website. Link is in the description box. If you liked the video, hit the like button and share with family and friends. Thank you for watching.